Water, our most precious resource. It covers nearly 70% of our planet. 4% of this water is fresh water, water that is used to grow our food, sustain our natural environment, and our health and well-being. But water supplies are diminishing, and in some areas, access to water is very limited. Did you know that industrial activity accounts for about 20% of global water consumption? The average stone fabrication facility can utilize upwards of 80 gallons of water each minute to manufacture stone countertops. 80 gallons! That's a lot of water. Think about it. If an estimated 1,250 gallons of water is needed to process one 50-square-foot countertop, that would be the equivalent of 20,000 8-ounce glasses of water. What if you could reduce your water consumption by 90%? Reduce your water bill by nearly 70%, and be an environmental steward? Now you can. Play a part in helping conserve water within your fabrication facility by installing a HydroClear system from Park Industries. Our HydroClear system is an industrial recycling technology that utilizes a closed-loop water recycling system. This system was designed to significantly reduce the strain on your need for water while limiting the water pollution. Developing solutions within the stone industry that can help reduce water shortages, enhance the quality of water, and enable the more efficient use of this precious resource.